Whoa, 640. This thing's awesome. It's in there somewhere. Ooh. Shirogorov F3. Black Alitex handle. 3.75-inch L-Max blade. Yeah. Wow. Very nice. Drop shut. Go check this out outside. Get a little sunshine on it. See the texturing on these handles. .75-inch overall. 3.75-inch L-Max blade. There's a dog. How's it smell? Got the titanium back spacer. Old pocket clip. Some neat milling on there. Yeah. Nice smooth action. Multi-row bearings. I've never handled a Shirogorov. Took a while to be able to pick one up. Very cool. Kind of like the handle on here. Full titanium. Something like this. Kind of be worried about scratching it up and stuff. Yeah. Maybe not so much with this Alitex, whatever it's called. That looks cool with the black. Very nice action. Very cool. Shirogorov F3. Awesome. Feels really good in the hand. There it is. Alright. I've been carrying this for a few days now, and it's really nice. The handle material is good, nice and grippy. It's a pretty big knife, but it's really light. You don't really feel like you're carrying a knife that big. Action is super smooth. There's the bear. Yeah, it's been a real cool experience. First Shirogorov. Fits in my hand great. Blade is super slicey. Yeah, it's been a real pleasure handling this thing and carrying it around. So yeah, Shirogorov F3. I really like it. Thanks for watching.